What if I told you that a new AI model just dropped that runs 10 times faster than GPT-5, costs 90% less to train, and is completely free to use? Meet Qwen3-Next, Alibaba's game-changing breakthrough that's about to flip the AI world upside down. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into Qwen3-Next, the revolutionary AI model that just launched on September 10th, 2025. This isn't just another AI model. This is a complete architectural breakthrough that achieves flagship level performance while using only 3% of its total parameters. Stick around because I'm going to show you exactly why this changes everything. Let me break this down in simple terms. Qwen3-Next is like having a massive 80 billion parameter AI brain, but it only thinks with 3 billion parameters at any given time. Imagine you have a huge library with 80,000 books, but you only need to read 3,000 books to answer any question perfectly. That's exactly what Qwen3-Next does, and it's genius. The result? It matches the performance of Alibaba's flagship 235 billion parameter model while being ridiculously efficient. And here's the kicker. It's completely open source under Apache 2.0 license. Let's talk about the three breakthrough technologies that make this possible. First up, hybrid attention. Instead of using one attention mechanism, Qwen3-Next combines two different types in a 3-to-1 ratio. 75% uses something called gated delta net, which processes information linearly, making it super fast for long texts. The other 25% uses traditional attention for precision. It's like having both a speed reader and a detail-oriented analyst working together. Second, ultra-sparse mixture of experts. Think of it like having 5 to 12 different AI specialists, but only calling on 11 of them for each task. Previous models activated 6 to 8% of their experts. Qwen3-Next, just 3.7%. That's why it's so incredibly efficient. Third, multi-token prediction. While most AI models generate one word at a time, Qwen3-Next can predict multiple words simultaneously. This gives it a 3-5x speed boost in text generation. It's like the difference between typing one letter at a time versus typing whole words. But what can you actually do with this? Let me show you 5 game-changing applications. Number 1, coding. Qwen3 Next achieved state-of-the-art performance on SWE Bench among open-source models. It can generate, debug, and translate code across multiple programming languages. Number 2, creative writing. With support for 119 languages, it's perfect for content creation, storytelling, and marketing copy. Number 3, long document analysis. With its 262K token context window, it can process entire books, research papers, or code bases in one go. Number 4, complex reasoning. The thinking variant can solve multi-step problems, mathematical equations, and logical puzzles step by step. And number 5, enterprise applications. From customer support to data analysis, it handles professional workflows efficiently. Now let's see how Qwen3-Next stacks up against the big players. GPT-5 is powerful but proprietary and expensive. Qwen3-Next, open source, free to use, and 10x faster for long contexts. Gemini has a 1 million token context, but Qwen3-Next's 262K is more than enough for most tasks, plus you get full control over your data. Claude excels at reasoning, but recent tests show Qwen3-Next outperforming it in coding tasks while being completely free. Here's the bottom line. While other models lock you into expensive APIs, Qwen3-Next gives you flagship performance with complete freedom. You can run it locally, modify it, or build commercial products around it without restrictions. How to access Qwen3-Next? Option 1, Hugging Face. Just search for Qwen3-Next ATB A3B instruct and you can use it directly in the browser for free. Option 2, API access. OpenRouter charges around 50 cents per million input tokens, or try together.ai for enterprise features. Option 3, local deployment. If you have the hardware, we're talking 4x A100 GPUs or equivalent, you can run it completely offline using VLLM. And option 4, the web interface. Visit chat.qwen.ai for a ChatGPT-like experience with Qwen3-Next. Qwen3-Next isn't just another AI model, it's a paradigm shift. We're looking at the future where powerful AI is open, efficient, and accessible to everyone. If you found this breakdown valuable, smash that like button and subscribe for more cutting-edge AI coverage. I test every major model release so you don't have to.